Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
This video shows how to update your Google Pixel 4a safely and quickly. First, ensure the Pixel 4a has at least 50% battery or is plugged in. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid cellular data charges while downloading. Then open Settings, tap System Update, and check for new updates. If an update is available, download it and follow on-screen prompts to install. The device will reboot automatically when installation completes, finishing the update process. Before you update, back up your photos and important data to Google Photos or local storage. Next, free at least 1 GB of storage space to ensure the update downloads and installs without interruption. Disable battery saver and sleep optimization because they can pause or block updates. Make sure automatic updates are allowed in settings if you prefer hands-off updating. Finally, remove unusual VPNs or firewall apps that might block the download, and ensure your Wi-Fi connection is to install. Tap Download when an update appears and wait for the package to finish downloading. After download, tap Install and allow the Pixel 4a to reboot and apply the update automatically. If the update fails, reboot the phone and check for updates again before repeating the install. For persistent failures, try a safe reboot or clear cache in recovery mode after backing up data. As a last resort, perform a factory reset only after confirming backups exist and you exhausted other troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.